Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to my subscribers. A special welcome back. You new viewers, you should become subscribers to just see awesome action like this. In all honesty though, we're making great recipes and you guys should subscribe. Today we're going to do a sausage fajita. So I've got 4 sausage links. You can use whatever kind of sausage you like. If you like a smoked or a spicy sausage, go for it. I cut these in quarters for my little guys. Slices are fine. In my skillet, I have a tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. And as soon as this melts, we're going to toss in that sausage that I just mentioned. All right, the oil and butter are ready to go. So I'm going to have my junior chef here. Go ahead and just dump that in there. Thanks, buddy. All right. 8 minutes until it browns, maybe 10, 8 to 10 minutes. We're just going to brown this up. So we'll be back again. It's medium heat. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. I'm going to just take these off of the heat into a bowl and just let them sit for a little bit while we cook up the fajita portion, the vegetable fajita portion of this. And I'm not draining the fat out. See that still in there? And that's fine. 2 medium yellow onions, just a rough slice. Okay, so my assistant is going to help me. No, we're just going to dump the bowl in. Push. Good job. Don't touch the pan. Okay, you hear that nice sizzle? That means my pan's still good and hot. All right, in addition to my onions, I have 1 red, 1 green, and 1 yellow bell peppers, and they're just sliced. Cordon sliced, of course. Probably about another 6, maybe 8 minutes. I just want to get them loosened up a little bit and then we'll bring back. It's been 6 minutes and you can see that the onions are starting to get translucent. Peppers are getting a little softened. We're back into the pot. There's our sausages. There's lime juice, 2 tablespoons. And now, we're spice light in my house. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Feel free to hit it with more in your house. Spin 2 to 3 minutes just to get this incorporated without throwing everything all over the place. We'll be back in 2 to 3 minutes. Maybe very short. About a minute and a half. Closing in on 2 minutes. This is just fine. Again, all we wanted to do is get this juice and the pepper incorporated, and you can see the juice is still boiling a little bit down there, so let's go ahead and plate up. I've got a flour tortilla shell. This is about a medium size. They make smaller ones and they definitely make bigger ones. A little scoop. Put there. Then from here, it's just whatever you like on your fajita, right? Maybe a little bit of salsa. This is freshly grated Monterey Jack cheese, but you're welcome to use whatever kind of cheese or leave the cheese up. And then maybe a little bit of sour cream to top it off. I'm just going to use a little dollop, not a lot. Okay, there you go. Don't get easier than that. Sausage fajitas. Again, use whatever kind of sausage you have on hand or want to use. Mix it up with the peppers too. You can get crazy with the spicy peppers if you want. Throw some ancho chilies or rianos or whatever. You know the drill. Let me know how you make your substitutions and what you do. Otherwise, subscribe, share, like. Put those comments down below. Let me know what you're looking for. Check back for the next video. Again, subscribe if you haven't. But otherwise, take care. Peace.